The most unexpected moments caught on doorbell camera. CCTV footage captured a boy carrying a little girl approaching to the porch at night when something unexpected happened. The young man rang the doorbell of a family's house with a concerned expression on his face. This toddler wandered off during a family party, but luckily the young man spotted her and returned her back home safely. A homeowner received a notification about some strangers detected by his doorbell camera.
You guys got a package at your door?
You have a package right here. Show it to them.
Come get it so nobody takes it. I will hide it for you in your mailbox.
The homeowner was very surprised when two strange girls helped him hide the package in the mailbox.
Okay, we put your package in your mailbox.
Tell me, what do you think about this?